Hi guys, we are going to know about how to determine the Young's modulus of uniform bending beam using scale and telescope. We can calculate the Young's modulus of material of the beam through this formula.
For doing this experiment, following apparatus are required. Procedure is begins with placing the beam on two knife edges and another beam is also placed on the knife edges to support the optic lever which is placed at the center of the beam. Then using threads hang two weight hangers on both ends of the beam at equal distance from the nearby knife edges.
After it, focus the image of scale in optic lever by adjusting the telescope. When the image of scale reading is coincident with the horizontal line of telescope, then it is noted.
The load in the hanger is added in steps of 50 gram on both sides and the respective readings are noted. Continue this process until 350 gram of load.
After it, decrease the load in steps of 50 grams and respective readings are noted.
Tabulate the noted readings.
Distance between the knife edges is the length of the beam between the knife edges. Distance between weight hanger and nearby knife edges is noted. Thickness of the beam is measured using screw gauge. Breadth of the beam is measured using vernier caliper. Perpendicular distance between the front leg and hind leg of optic lever is measured by drawing a triangle from the points obtained through pressing the optic lever on paper. List out the observed values.
By substituting the observed values in the formula, we can find the Young's modulus of the material of the beam.
To find the Young's modulus of the beam graphically, following tables are used to plot the graph. A graph is plotted by taking mass along x-axis and shift in scale reading along y-axis. Slope for the plotted graph is drawn and calculated. By substituting m by s value from the graph and observed value in the formula, we can find the Young's modulus of the material of beam. These are the results of the experiment.